Hey guys, it's Anna. Welcome back to my channel. Hello, what is up guys? So today I really want to do a Halloween look, and there's this like spider eye thing that's been going around Instagram and it's so cool, so we're gonna attempt that. Yeah, that's really all I have to say. I'm super excited. I'm finally of course at the end of October having time to sit down and actually film some Halloween looks, and I'm super excited. So if you guys want to see me go through this process, then go ahead and keep watching. Alright, so this look is kind of all about the eyes, so I went ahead and just laid down a base, foundation, concealer, powder, bronzer, brows, blush, all done, and now we're just going to go ahead and focus right on to the actual Halloween part of the makeup look. So we're going to be working with just literally black eyeshadow and eyeliner, so I'm going to go ahead and start off with some Laura Mercier translucent powder, and I'm going to just put a ton of this under my eyes so it's going to catch that fallout so it doesn't mess up the rest of our makeup. Alright, super cute. Alright, so I'm going to start with a little bit of a black gel liner. And this is the Maybelline Eye Studio eyeliner. And this is just such a good gel liner if you need one. Super cheap, super good. And I'm just going to pack some of this onto my eyelid to serve as a base for some black shadow. Alright, I'm now just going to pick up a little fluffy brush and just try to blend that out a little bit. You're not going to get a super great blend since it's a cream product, but I just want the edges to not be super harsh. Now just picking up a black eyeshadow from the Kat Von D Shade and Light eye palette, and I'm just going to basically put this all over my entire eyelid and blend it into the crease. Okay, now that we have that black on our eyelids, we're going to do the exact same thing under the eye, just kind of blend out some more black. Okay, I'm going in with a black eyeliner, and I'm going to go in my waterline and my tight line. Okay, now that we have the eyes done, we're going to move on to the fun / hard part that I don't know how it's going to go yet, but we're going to go ahead and give it a shot. Okay, so we're basically going to have spider legs coming out of our eyes. So I'm just going to kind of go for it. In the front, we're going to do two smaller ones. Okay, so for the second lines, we're going to go a little bit straighter, and we're going to go over the eyebrow right here. Okay, so now I have like the basic outlines of the legs. It looks super weird and like it almost kind of looks like a spider, but not quite. So now we're going to go ahead and add some highlights with a white liquid liner, and this is by NYX. And so we're really going to focus on like where it's bending and then a little highlight on like each section. So I'm going to start on the inside one, and we're going to do a little bit right where it's bending. Right, and then moving to the next one, same deal. And you kind of want the highlights to be kind of messy, so don't worry too much about it. And then I'm also just gonna highlight a little bit down here. Right, so that's like the basis of the highlights, and we're gonna do that on the other eye as well.
I got it at Target. It's gonna be funny.
Why?
Just start doing
it. Okay. Now that we have the highlights, we're gonna add shadows under the legs, which will like help make it look more 3D, bring it to life a little bit. So I'm just gonna mix a gray shadow and a tiny bit of black on a little like artist angle brush, and basically you're just gonna kind of want to make a kind of a straight line from the edge to where it comes out. So I'm gonna start here. There, you see we created that shadow, which makes it look like it's kind of popping up. And what I'm doing is before I go onto my eye, I'm like scraping off the shadow so that I have a really light color. Then once it's down, I'm gonna just kind of tap it so that it's not so harsh. And then towards the end, we're also just gonna kind of tap some of that shadow right there, because that's where the end of the leg is, so there's gonna be a heavier shadow. Alright, there is one eye with all the shadows done. Oh, it like literally helps so much. Just bring that up and towards your face. So to finish it off, I'm going to pick up the shade VIP from the Morphe Jaclyn Hill Ring the Alarm palette. This is like a super frosty white, and I'm just going to highlight with that in the inner corner. Alrighty guys, that is the finished look. I'm actually super impressed. I thought this would be a lot harder. It's kind of like, I feel like Halloween looks are always kind of those things where like they don't look good until the very end, and then like the finishing touches kind of pull it together. But yeah, I'm super excited. I think this is so fun. If you guys like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and make sure you subscribe down below. That is it for this video guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!